is 13 centimeter away from the sensor, and the angle is 61. This is all about the radar system. Now the launching part is different. It works like this. Arriving from an object. The materials required to make a 3D hologram are black chart paper, cardboard, black poster color, scissor, mobile, totally based upon anti-missile radar system, which India frequently uses.
হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে এসেছি বৈদ্যবাটি স্যাক্রেড হার্ট স্কুলে। আজকে 15 আগস্ট। তো ভিডিও করার কোনো প্ল্যানিং ছিল না, কিন্তু এখানে এসেছিলাম, এদের একটা সায়েন্স প্রজেক্ট চলছে স্কুলের। তো সেটা দেখে খুবই ভালো লাগলো, যার কারণে আমি মানে উদ্যোগ নিয়ে ভিডিওটা বানাচ্ছি। তো ভিডিওটা দেখতে থাকো, আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। আর ভিডিওটা কেমন লাগলো সেটাও জানিও। চলো স্টার্ট করা যাক।
Good afternoon, sir. I am Suraj Mahato from class 8. I am representing my school, Bedawati Sacred Heart. This is my model earthquake alarm, and these are the materials which are required to complete this model. And this is the circuit which is present inside the building. First, when an earthquake will come, this body will vibrate. And when it vibrates, the sound will produce to alert everyone that they can go in a safe place to protect themselves like an empty ground. Thank you, sir. Etc. Good morning, sir. This is my project, Automatic Water Tap. My name is Sudipta Pal, and I am from class 8 representing my school, Bedawati Sacred Heart. These are the materials that required to done my project. This is the connection diagram. When there is corona time, doctor recommends to not touch the things that are kept in the public places. So, scientists and engineer made this so we can drink water without touching our hands. It works like this. Thank you, sir. Sharat Nas from class 9 representing Sacred Heart School. This is my model 3D hologram. Hologram is often referred to as a lensless photograph. It shows a picture of a whole object in its three-dimensional form. Hologram is a recording in 2 to 3 dimensions in which when a point source of light of fixed wavelength encounters the same light of same wavelength arriving from an object. The materials required to make a 3D hologram are black chart paper, cardboard, black poster color, scissor, mobile phone, etc. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shupriti Sinha from class 9, and today I am going to perform an experiment of carbon snake. Now I have taken here sand which absorbs the heat, and also split some petrol over here. Now I am taking some powdered sugar here. I will also be taking some baking soda. We will be putting it in the center. I am taking fire and it is just lighted up. As you can see here, the baking soda and the powdered sugar is reacting in the presence of the petrol to form flake CO2, which is coming out like black snakes. Now I will be shifting to my next experiment, which is bioplastic. Before starting, I would like to acknowledge you to the meaning of bioplastic. As you can see here, bioplastics are the plastics derived from renewable biomass sources like plants rather than fossil fuels and can be either bio-based, biodegradable or both. Now a question may arise in your mind that why should we use bioplastic instead of conventional plastics? In today's world, the pollution rate is so much increasing that it leads to many types of diseases. Bioplastics are biodegradable, so it will not pollute our environment. Normal or conventional plastics are made from petroleum, so it reduces the fossil fuels rate. Whereas bioplastics are made also from renewable sources, which will not pollute our environment also. Sometimes normal plastic uses harmful chemicals, which hampers the food quality. Whereas bioplastics is free from chemicals, so it will not hamper the food quality. Bioplastics can be used to make various items like cups, cutlery, straws, etc. Now I would like to perform the experiment in front of you all. I have taken a beaker and I will be adding some water in it. Now I will be taking some cornstarch. I will be mixing it. Now I will be taking some vinegar, which is also known as acetic acid. Now I will be putting it into the heat. After some time, the solution will turn into a jelly-like substance, and when we filter it, as you can see here, it will form a plastic-like thing. And if we cast it, it will form bioplastic, which is very much free and safe for our environment. That's all.
Good morning, I am Anish Sharma from class 6. Today I am going to represent my school, Sacred Heart. Now I am doing the lava lamp experiment. So I have already took the jar, and in this jar I have already given the oil, and I am giving more oil. So now I am adding the baking soda in this jar. Now, in another container, I have already added the vinegar and the food color. Now I am pouring these in this jar. Now you can see that it is forming the bubbles, which is in real the carbon dioxide gas, which is lighter or less than from the liquid around it. So it is going upwards, and when it is cooled, it is coming down again. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Kashwini Mukherjee from class 9.
Good morning, this is Swani Saw from class 9 and this is our model on the topic rainwater harvesting and purification of water. Rainwater harvesting is basically a technique to conserve water and capture rainwater as we are having only a few sources of rainwater. Due to its increasing demand, we need to conserve rainwater. As you can see that the rainwater is being captured here and gets transferred into this tank and gets transferred into different layers and gets purified. First layer contains stone, charcoal followed by sand, alum water, cotton and gets purified water. This material just purifies the rainwater and as you can see that this water is totally purified rainwater. On the other hand, this is other water supplier and this water, due to high pressure, it moves the turbine and generates electricity. Due to low pressure, it is not working, but it's supposed to work due to high pressure of water. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Atif Ahmed from class 8, representing Betapati Sacred Heart School. So today I have made a model of a fire extinguisher that is used to extinguish fire by sensing it. We can see the demonstration once. Sir. So as you can see, it extinguished the fire by detecting the infrared and the ultraviolet rays emitted by the flame. Then that is used to convert the pump by upscaling the water and the buzzes. That's all for my project. Thank you.
Megha Misha from class 5 representing Bedobati Sacred Heart School. Today I am going to do an experiment on sugar rainbow. Sugar rainbow is the experiment that dissolves sugar in the water to change the density of the water solution and is ultimately create a layer like this. First, I separate the colors in these glasses and add some sugar and different amount of sugar in these glasses. First, The denser with more density with more sugar, it can be settled at the bottom of the jar, while the less density of the sugar with the less sugar, it can be float on the jar. Now my experiment was completed. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is Anubhav Pratap Singh. I'm from class 9. Today, my project is totally based upon anti-missile radar system, which India frequently uses during the war times. When an enemy country launches a missile or any fighter jets comes to attack, it detects and destroys in the midair. I will show you how it works. When something is detected, it is displayed on the screen that how many distance of that actually now my hands is 13 centimeter away from the sensor, and the angle is 61. This is all about the radar system. Now the launching part is different. Whenever something is detected, this motor gets activated. This motors get activated. Like my hand is now, this motor is getting activated. This triggers this crossbow, which is in real life. Instead of this crossbow, there is an interceptor missile. The interceptor missile work is to target, detect, and destroy the upcoming missiles or any threats from the enemy's side before reaching its target. Whenever something is detected, this is fired, and the which is the missile, which is now the ice cream stick, launches and destroys the upcoming obstacles. This is all about the small scale demonstration of how this system really works. I have used an ultrasonic sensor, 2 servo motors, one Arduino Uno, which is the brain of this whole setup, and 6-volt battery. And to skip the welding part, I have used a big breadboard. To run all this, I have downloaded 2 softwares. One is the Arduino IDE to upload the code to the Arduino Uno, and another is the processing through which I can display this. This is all about my project. I hope you understand this. Thank you.
আজকের ভিডিওটা এই অবধি। ছোট ছোট বাচ্চারা যেভাবে মানে তারা স্টার্টিং করেছে, আমি জানি না আমি হয়তো যখন ওদের বয়সে ছিলাম তখন এরকম করতে পারতাম কি না। তাই ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লাগে লাইক করে দিও আর একটু শেয়ার করে দিও। এত ছোট ছোট বাচ্চারা এত মানে খাটাখাটি করে এত কিছু করেছে, মানে এটা ওদের জন্য অনেক বড় ব্যাপার। তো তাদের জন্য একটা লাইক করে দিও। আর আমার আগের ভিডিওটা 550K সম্ভবত গেছে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ আমার সমস্ত ভিউয়ার্সদের যারা এত ভালোবাসা দিয়েছে। আর আজকের ভিডিওটা এই অবধি। চলো দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে।